cutting through mountains, sweeping across plains, flowing alongside rivers. Indian Railways binds the nation together like a single family. India's first passenger train embarked on its journey in 1853 with 400 passengers. Over the decades, it not only saved time and propelled the country forward, but by evolving with the times, became the very heartbeat of our nation. On 3rd February 1925, when the first electric train ran between Victoria Terminus and Kurla in Mumbai, it laid the foundation for a new era. By 1931, electrification had extended to the Bombay-Pune, Bombay-Igatpuri, Bombay-Borivali and Madras-Tambaram routes. This innovation was the seed of an India 100 years later, where Indian Railways would emerge as a growth engine. Railways had to move with the times, going beyond coal and diesel engines to achieve self-reliance. In this journey, electrification became Indian Railways' steadfast companion. After independence, in 1951, the first steps were taken in Howrah. In 1957, the first EMU ran on the Howrah-Shivrapuli section. By 1977, electrification of the Howrah-Gaya-Delhi route was complete. In 1984, Kolkata Metro began operations. By 1992, the Delhi-Mumbai, Howrah-Mumbai and Delhi-Chennai routes had all been electrified. Until 2014, only around 21,000 kilometers of railway track had been electrified, barely 35%. The journey towards 100% electrification and embracing green energy still lay ahead. A transformation was needed, one that would make Indian Railways the most modern railway network in the world. And then, in 2014, India found visionary leadership that brought this transformation to life.
रेल ने दशकों से हमें अपनों से मिलने का बहुत बड़ा अभियान चलाया है, काम किया है। एक प्रकार से देश को जोड़ने का भी काम किया है। अब ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी है कि हम रेल को एक बेहतर पहचान और आधुनिक भविष्य से जोड़े।
Under Prime Minister Modi's leadership, the modernization of Indian Railways gathered unprecedented momentum. From 2004 to 2014, on an average, around 500 kilometers of tracks were electrified per year. From 2014 to 2024, this figure has risen eightfold to 4,400 kilometers per year on an average. Today, electrification is nearly complete, covering 99% of tracks. This has saved the railways and the country millions of liters of diesel. Rail cargo has become more cost-effective. Electrified tracks are powering over 100 state-of-the-art high-speed trains like Vande Bharat across India. Amrit Bharat Express has made faster, affordable rail journeys possible. Delhi Metro now runs on power from the Bina solar plant. More than 1,300 railway stations are powered by solar energy. Through the Amrit Bharat Station scheme, over 1,300 stations are being upgraded and becoming self-reliant with renewable power. Soon, India will become only the second country after Switzerland to achieve 100% railway electrification. And now, as Indian Railway marks 100 years of electrification, it has set a new mission, achieving net zero carbon emissions by 2030.
भारतीय रेल आधुनिकता की रफ्तार पर ऐसे ही तेजी से आगे बढ़ती रहेगी और ये मोदी की गारंटी है।